Following these rules will make you rich. Are you still trying to figure out how to get rich? We all want to be wealthy, don't we? Who wouldn't want to spend their ideal vacations at any time of year or in a couple of mansions in the world's most exotic locations? Everyone's ambition is to be able to control their money rather than have their money dominate them. Today, we will share with you a set of golden rules for being wealthy. These guidelines will help you become a millionaire. Why do we know these rules are real and will work? It's because this advice came from various millionaires from around the world, so we're not making it up. Make sure you read all of the golden rules and how to become rich and join the Millionaire Club. Curious to know more? Now let's get deeper into this. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's start the video. Saving is critical. Mueller advised developing the habit of saving immediately away and implementing it consistently. It's about deciding if you want to spend that money today on your fifth pair of sneakers because you suddenly feel like you need them. He explained, it's a choice between immediate delight and long-term contentment. You may have difficulty comprehending that you can save at any time at first. If you're like Mueller, you're totally against dining at restaurants. Many individuals don't know how much money they may save by bringing food and drinks from home to work. He says, Mueller said that coffee in a bar can cost several dollars. However, brewing your own at home costs only a few cents. This is the mindset you need to cultivate over time. There are numerous other methods you can utilize to save money in your daily life. It might be a good idea, for example, to examine your Spotify or Netflix subscriptions. Avoid all forms of debt. Apply the opposite of what you learned about saving to paying down your debt. Buy nothing you can't afford. It's a straightforward rule that will also help you avoid whims. You desire a smartphone but don't have the funds to get one? Don't buy it then. Mueller elaborated. A lot of debt is created when people get addicted to the temporary pleasure that comes from making a purchase. Leaving a note in your wallet asking yourself, do I need that? You'll eventually start asking yourself that question and you won't need the notation, Mueller stated. If you have monetary obligations, you should not ignore them. Before seeking a quick remedy to pay off debt, it's critical to assess the issue. Otherwise, you risk incurring new obligations to repay previous ones. Mueller recommended that you pay off all your debts. Then figure out how much you can afford to pay each month and multiply that number by the number of months it will take you to pay off the debt. Mueller suggested paying off half of your debts and saving the other half. Many people would advise paying off debt before beginning to save, but Mueller disagrees. It's about thinking like a rich person, he explained. Your wealth, no matter how large, grows via saving, he added. Make active touch with creditors. Mueller suggested that you be proactive and contact your creditors before they contact you. This will set you apart from most debtors, Mueller says. If you are unable to pay, it is preferable to tell this openly rather than waiting for them to call you to inquire about non-payments. He said that if you are honest about your financial circumstances, the other party will normally make you a counter-offer, such as extending the payment period or waiving your interest. This tip is especially critical if you owe money to someone you know. If you owe someone money, it will have a bad impact on your life. Money is more than just a medium of the transaction, it is a flowing spirit. Stay away from phony status symbols. When you think of a millionaire, you probably imagine them driving a flashy automobile and wearing a watch worth more than your home. These prestige symbols have nothing to do with becoming a millionaire. The route to financial independence entails carefully consuming rather than lavishly spending. Does it make sense to spend 2 or 3 months' wages on a vacation somewhere far away when you could rest so much better somewhere closer to home? Mueller stated. This is it, everyone. So what do you think? Leave a comment and let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that. Also, put on the notifications because the next video is going to be a great one.